Kan Zhong Spider, watching the chart. Market start moving, beating my heart. Green candle come, red candle bite. Spider still waiting for entry just right. Don't chase the pump, don't fear the dip. Spider got patience, Spider got grip. 8 little legs, but one clear mind. Wait for the setup, enter on time. Kan Zhong Spider, Spider Trader, crawling up like elevator. Left, right market, up, down later. Spider don't panic, Spider smarter. Kan Zhong Spider, Spider Trader. Stop loss ready, risk no greater. When profit comes, don't wait till later. Lock it in like market player. Everyone FOMO, everyone shout. Spider stay calm when market breakout. BTC moving, altcoins fire. Spider says, relax, let it climb higher. No overtrade, no emotional ride. Risk profile set, AI by my side. Market may shake, candles may swing. Spider just waits for the perfect thing. Kan Zhong Spider, Spider Trader, climbing charts like indicator. Red or green, now or later, Spider trade smart, not like gambler. Kan Zhong Spider, Spider Trader, profit close, see you later. Small little spider, big creator, trading smarter, moving greater.